Are you an apparel decorator or are you a branding expert? Perhaps you consider yourself both. In this video, I'm going to show you a new product that's going to take branding for your clients to another level. But you're going to have to use your imagination and creativity to be able to win this business and grow your sales. It's a new backing on our dimensional emblems and patches. Now, before I get there, let me just say our dimensional emblem and patch category has been skyrocketing in sales over the last 3 years. That's because of the advent of top and bottom heat on the heat press that allows you to press these dimensional emblems and patches accurately without damaging your garment with a high durability, and the product doesn't need sewn at all. So it gives a heat-applied decorator a great way to grow their business. Because of this growth, we've decided to come up with a new backing for our dimensional emblems and patches. It's called Hook and Loop. It's changeable messaging. Changeable messaging is great for a variety of opportunities. You can use it to celebrate achievements, as somebody gets a blank apparel item like this jacket and can swap it out based on achieving a new level of some sort, depending on your market. You can use it to celebrate affiliation, like you're seeing on this tote bag where we're swapping it out based on the club the student is associated with. You can use it to celebrate your mood, like you're seeing on these hats, with a little bit of fun expression based on how we're feeling today. You can use it to celebrate the group that you're with at camp for the day, with the leader identifying as a firefly or an explorer. There are so many concepts for this hook and loop backing that it's really up to you as the branding expert to know your customer and how you can bring it to life. Now, I'd like to talk a little bit about how the product works and how it's used. Much like our other dimensional emblems and patches, at Stahls, we manufacture them for you. There's a 25-piece minimum order quantity, and you upload the logo to the Stahls website, go through the process, and we send you these ready to be decorated, heat applied. When you receive this particular patch style, what you're going to receive is the loop version attached to the hook version. So the loop version peels off. It has a heat applied adhesive already on it that's highly durable. And so all you need to do is take this badge and apply it to your item of choice that you want to make with changeable messaging. Then the hook portion is attached to the patch itself. In this case, we have the embroidered patch that has the hook attached to it. You can get embroidery, you can get print stitch, which is sublimation with embroidery, or you can get Flexstyle, which is kind of like a liquid embroidery, as we like to call it. Those are our 3 choices at the production of this video, and I'm sure we'll add many more as we progress with this product. But these are available today as you're watching this video, and we have samples available at the link in the description. So if you want to take it to the next level of branding, I'd encourage you to try this out. Upload a logo, order a client's design, and show them what they can accomplish. This is going to be great for things like employee recognition, employee retention, celebrations, so many different ideas. And if you have an idea, how about leaving it in the comments below? But make sure you try Hook and Loop on dimensional emblems and patches by Stahls. Thanks for watching.